Hey guys, what's up? If you are new here, my name is Jordan, and today we are going to be making a gear wall.
If we never don't know, someone's gotta change.
As you can see behind me, I hung up a pegboard, and then I have this little bamboo shelf, and we're going to organize my gear on here. I got some little baskets to hang on the pegboard, and then I also have a whole box of different kinds of hooks and stuff. So, yeah, let's get into this.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
Okay, well, there you have it. That is my gear wall. I hope you liked this video. All the links will be down in the description below. And I love you guys. Peace.